The Belkin Difference, pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. Braided Lightning to USB-C cable for iPhone. Fast charge your iPhone 8 or later from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes, when paired with 18W USB PD charger. With these durable USB-C to Lightning cables, you can give your iPhone 8 or later a fast charge, up to 50% in 30 minutes when paired with an 18W USB PD charger. They're tested to survive 10,000 plus bends, and feature an enhanced braided nylon exterior, so they'll last no matter how many times you plug or unplug them in. MFi-certified to meet Apple standards. Available in multiple lengths and colors. Braided nylon exterior tested to withstand 10,000 plus bends. Fast charge feature requires iPhone 8 or later and 18W or higher USB PD charger. Made with an enhanced braided nylon exterior, you can feel confident knowing these cables won't break. Tested to survive 10,000 plus bends, they're designed to last, resisting fraying and internal damage no matter how many times you plug and unplug them. Top reviews from the United States. We really like this one. This is great to be used when you're in the living room and your extension cord is not long enough, or in the car and you have to reach in the back with guests or other stuff. Overall, I really like it.